Hey y'all, so as y'all may have noticed that I'm doing this video in my backyard, and I rarely do my videos outside, but I'm gonna start. It feels really good out here, and I need to start doing it. So my next few videos may be outside. If they're not, it's just for personal reasons. But in this video, we're gonna learn how static electricity works. Now, static electricity is everywhere, but have you all noticed it? Is the question. So it's like, so what is static electricity? In our study of atoms, we learned that atoms are made up of neutrons, protons, and electrons. The electrons are spinning around the outside. A static charge is formed when two surfaces touch each other, and the electrons move from one object to another. One object will have a positive charge and the other will have a negative charge. Rubbing the items quickly, like when you rub a balloon fast over something or your feet on the carpet, will build up a large charge. Items with different charges, positive and negative, will attract, while items with similar charges, positive and positive, will push away from each other, sort of like a magnet. Remember when you've gone down a slide and all of your hair stands up straight? This is because the friction of sliding has caused a positive charge to be built up on each hair. Since each hair has the same charge, they all try to push away from each other and end up standing up straight. Likewise, when your skin is charged with static electricity, you touch something metal, like a door handle. The metal is very conductive and will quickly discharge the static electricity, creating a zap or small spark. Now this has happened, like where I've touched some metal door handles, and like, or when I touched somebody that I felt a little shock. This is because either me or them have touched something metal. And you can pass static electricity from one person to another depending on how strong the charge is. If it's not that strong, then I doubt you're going to be able to do it. So just know that static electricity is everywhere. You may not notice it, you may not feel it, but it's everywhere. Like science is everywhere. So if you all know that science is everywhere, then you all should be sorry. It was a bug flying around my camera. Yeah, so science should be a piece of cake for you guys, because it takes a little bit of a study. It's a common course class that you have to take in high school. So science can be fairly easy once you actually know how it works and study it frequently. But as time goes on, you should know that static electricity it's not like any other electricity. So don't get it mixed up with any other thing, because you should know that your hair, like if you want to try it, get a balloon and rub it against your hair. Your hair has to be loose. You can't have weave twist or weave braids. It doesn't work on braids. Your hair has to be your real hair. If you have it in a ponytail, you have to take it down. Rub it against your hair and your hair will stand up. Sometimes you can hear it staticking, but not all the time. So if you want to try it, just get a balloon. You can go to Walmart, Family Dollar, Dollar Tree. Just get some deflated balloons, blow them up, and just rub it against your hair and tell me how it works. Because static electricity is everywhere, whether you know it or not.